Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Lynn, and today I have an unboxing of the Spellbinders October 2023 card kit of the month. This one is called Feeling Festive, and it is holiday themed. So really excited to see this. I was really super excited to get crafting with this kit when I saw it was holiday themed. So, as per usual, we do get our 8 USA 2 size card bases and the coordinating envelopes to go with it. We do also get our adhesive, so both foam adhesive for adding some dimension and the double-sided adhesive roll of tape. And here is our solid color cardstock panels. There are 5 different colors. You get 4 of each, and these are cut to USA 2 in size, so 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. And you do get 4, so that basically means that they've taken one US letter sheet of paper, cut it 4 ways, and this would be the equivalent of 5 sheets of cardstock essentially. It's a nice weight cardstock, so I like that. Love that we have the traditional Christmas red and green, and for non-traditional colors I do often see pink and, well, a lot of times it's pink and teal, but here we're getting pink and a sky blue. And there is also white cardstock, which I kind of wish they'd given us another color instead of white, because I have so much white cardstock already. So I'd rather have color. So now with our pattern papers, there are 20 sheets of single-sided papers. This is a lightweight paper. It's not super lightweight, but it's also not cardstock weight. And so you do get 20 sheets. Here's a really lovely typography. This has all of the reindeer names. That's kind of cute. This is another typography. It just says fa la 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 over and over again. Then we have some plaids and sort of a stripy pattern. Oh, this one's a candy cane. Polka dots. Oh, this is pretty. This has a little bit of spot foiling, a little bit of gold foil there. And these star patterns are kind of nice. They don't necessarily have to be holiday necessarily. Okay, so then those are the sort of the solids and the geometrics and small patterns, repeat patterns. These are getting into the more graphical prints. And this is kind of cute. Oh, look at Santa. I love the little mini scenes. There's so much to look at in these. Santa and Mrs. Claus. This one's lovely. Yeah, this one's, I think, is pretty non-directional. Poinsettias and foliage. Ornaments. Now we're getting into sort of larger patterns here. More stars. Oh, this is cute. I like the little trees. A lot of little detail there. Little bows. Oh, this is cute. Stockings. That's really adorable. Look at that one. That's so cute. Oh yeah, that's another one. Oh, this is super cute. I think the whole row is, yeah, these are all unique. Oh my. So when does it start repeating? This is pretty cool. It's not a very, it's not a very tight repeat. It's quite a while until it repeats again. So there's that. And I don't see that. Oh, does it repeat at all? Oh yeah, because that one, there's some minor differences, like this elf here is the same as that one. Similar to this one, except this one's holding a candy cane, so it's not identically the same. Oh, this is so cool. That's gonna be the hardest thing about this paper pad, is because you only get one It's gonna be so hard to use some of the ones that are kind of my favorites. I think this one might be my favorite. And you know, if it were me, instead of the white cardstock, I would have gone with maybe one of the like a darker blue. But that's just me. So look at all this. Here are the embellishments. We usually get a sequin, like a pack of sequins that's maybe like half this size, but this mix is just incredible, and I think we've been given a lot because it's really great for shakers, which you might tend to use more than if you were to use your sequins as sort of individual embellishments on a card or a project. But here we've got the kind of a cross between confetti and sequins because it's flat like confetti, but it has the whole like sequins. But unlike sequins, it's not cupped at all. And then you've got a lot of clay slices in different shapes. So that's a fun one. That's great. And we do get chipboard stickers. So here's double-sided. So you get 2 sheets here with some sentiments. So I always love that. We do get some puffy stickers with a lot of sentiments and some images. These are all pretty small though. These would be great, I think, maybe for tags. That's where I'm thinking with these, is to maybe make a set of tags with those. So that's something. And then of course the ephemera pack, which I love. You do always get a very fun, I like to think of it as sometimes a very eclectic mix. There's always something in there that's just a little bit different. Like you can see kind of peeking out here, like a periodic table tile. And you do get 2 of each piece of ephemera. So if there is a particular design that you like, and you have enough paper to do it, you could possibly create 2 of the exact same card. That's not true of the stickers though. The stickers are all going to be pretty unique. And this I thought was kind of different. This is acetate ephemera, I guess. I'm not sure how else to describe it, but it's clear and it's but it's nice kind of thick plastic acetate or mylar, I'm not sure, but really cool, pretty different from anything else that I've seen in the kits before. So that's sort of interesting. You know, these would be great under I've made resin coasters last year. These would be great in resin coasters because with paper, because I've made coasters where I've embedded paper as well, but with paper, because you just never know what the resin will do to the paper and the ink that's been printed on the paper, you do have to seal that paper with a bunch of layers of Mod Podge, but these are plastic, so I think these would work really well. So I might think about doing some resin coasters with these. So that is the October 2023 Feeling Festive card kit of the month. Of course, when I craft with this kit, I will add that tutorial video to my Spellbinders playlist, and I probably will make some card sketches, and I think I might make a set of tags as well. That's sort of where my head is at with this kit right now. And but we'll see what happens. So thanks for joining me on this one, and until next time, happy crafting and have a fabulous day. Bye.